So hi guys, welcome back to Smart Hobbies YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be showing you my new Nemo Candy beta pair. So I ordered this from Chennai. I received the order just now. So I'm very excited to see what's inside, how the Nemo Candy looks. So I hope the Nemo Candy is not damaged in any way. So now let's unbox it and see. The packing is quite good actually. It looks decent from outside. Let's see how the packing is inside. So it's a little bit difficult to cut. I don't like cutting things. So I've cut it now. So you can see I've put some cardboard at the top. So I've received the fishes. So these are the fishes. Hope you all can see. The packing is quite good. He's put an outer layer. He has put an outer packet for safer packing. The packing is quite good now. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. That's it. Only these things are there. So let's see if there's something else in this cardboard. So nothing is there. So now let's open the rubber band and look at the Nemo Candy fishes. I hope you can see this in the camera. Okay, so now the first packet we've got this is called the Moina culture. These are small cultures to feed a beta fish. So these are called Moina cultures. It's very tiny. I hope you all can see it. It's too tiny, you all can't see it. You'll have to put some torch and see it very closely. This is Moina culture. Now let me show you the Nemo Candy. So now this is the Nemo Candy. I can't make out if this is male or female because the packet is quite dark. He has put some medicine inside, so I'm not able to identify if it's a male or female. So I'll keep this in the box. I'll show you the other Nemo Candy. So this is the other Nemo Candy. So I don't think so I can see it clearly. I'll put it in the tank and show y'all. So I'll keep it here. Now I'll put it in the tank and show y'all. So guys, I've let the packets of the beta fish float in the tank for the temperature to set. So I've already put some medicine and some almond leaf in the tank. Almond leaf is very good for fishes. It maintains pH level in the water. So now this is the male beta. This is the female beta. Here also I put some almond leaves and I've already set the tank yesterday. So you can see this is female and this is male. Now I'm going to leave them into the tank after 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, I've left the Nemo Candy in the tank. I've left both the male and female in one tank only for the time being to show y'all. The Nemo Candy is of superb quality. So this is the male. You can see the tail is nice and big, that's the male. And that far one is the female. Guys, the quality is so nice. I'll give the Instagram ID of the seller in the description box below. The price is also very reasonable. You can definitely trust him and buy it. I think he's doing shipping all over South India. I bought it from Chennai. It's of superb quality. The color will darken once I start feeding it with nice food, nice live food. So these are the Nemo candies. It has been my dream fish, guys. I wanted this fish for a very long time, but the price was too expensive. But somehow I find this seller who gave me this Nemo candy for a very reasonable price. So you can also definitely buy betta fishes from him. I'll send the Instagram ID of the seller in the description box below. So I'll soon upload the breeding video of this Nemo candy. So hope you like this video. Do give a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in another great video. Till then, goodbye and take care. Bye. This is the Nemo candy. Look at the coloration. I want to show you all again and again. This is the male beta. Sorry, this is the male beta which is following. So that's it, guys. Goodbye.